Hi, this is Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about effective designs of forms and reports. Introduction to forms and reports. Forms and reports are an important part of the database application. Designer use them to create an integrated application, making it easier for user to perform their task. Decision maker and clerical worker use form and report on a daily basis. Forms. Normally, forms were used as input and reports were used to display result. Nowadays, forms are also used to display result. Basic use of forms are collect data, display query data, display analyze and computation results, switchboard, direct manipulation of object like graphics. Reports. Reports are typically printed on papers, but they are increasingly being created for direct display on the screen. Reports can be used to format the data and present results from complex analysis. Effective designs of forms and report. The most important concept to remember when designing forms and report is understand that they are the primary concern of the user. The key of the effective design is to determine the needs of the user. As a designer, you talk with the customer and learn what they want to accomplish. Then you use your experience to provide features that make their forms more useful. Researchers in human factors have developed several guidelines to help you design forms. Some factors are user control, consistency, clarity, aesthetic, feedback, and forgiveness. First one is user control. With current operating system, the primary factor is that the user, not the programmer and application. User should always have control to the form. For example, do not expect user to enter data in a particular sequence. Application responds to the events or triggers by performing calculation, retrieving or storing data and offering new choices. Whenever possible, provide options for user customization. Example, changing the display features such as color, typeface, or size. Next one is consistency. To ensure consistency, there are two factors. At the beginning of the application, establish a design standard and basic template for all designers to use. Towards the end of the application development, always go back and check for consistency. Next one is clarity. Clarity means keeping the application simple and well organized. If the application has multiple forms and reports, organize them according to user task. It helps to have a clear purpose for an application and to make sure the design enhances that purpose. Use precise terminology, avoid jargons, and stick with the terms that are used within the organization. Example, if a company refers to its employee as associates, use the term instead of employees. Next one is aesthetic. Aesthetic also play an important role in the user interface. The goal is to use color and design to enhance the forms and reports. Graphics and arts are important. They provide an attractive and familiar environment for users. Feedback. Use of feedback include accepting input, acknowledging changes of data, highlighting completion of tasks, or signifying the start or completion of some events. Several options can be used to provide feedback. Visually, the cursor can be changed, text can be highlighted, a button can be pushed in, or a box may change color. More direct form of feedbacks are displaying message on the screen, audio feedback, playing a musical theme or sound when the user select a task or when the computer finish an operations. Last one is forgiveness. Designer should provide the user with the possibility of anticipation and corrections of errors, and confirmation on deletion and updates, backup and recovery of data. I hope you will understand the concept of effective designs of forms and reports. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.